Hello students, welcome to APS e-learning group. As all of you know that our chapter 1 large numbers is going on and we have discussed most of the topics from this chapter. Okay, and from our yesterday lecture, we were learning about the Roman numerals, and there we have also discussed about the rules for writing Roman numerals. I have discussed I think 4 rules. I have discussed 4 rules regarding to writing the Roman numerals. So let's first recall the yesterday lecture. Okay, look at here for yesterday lecture, so you can understand the today's lecture clearly. What we learned yesterday? We learned about the Roman numerals. The ancient Roman used this system to represent numbers. For this Roman numerals, they made use of some Latin alphabets. These are the Latin alphabets and their combinations. Roman used following 7 letters. These are the mainly 7 letters or symbols by which they can represent the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay, what are these? This represent the number 1. This symbol represents the 5. This 10. This 50, this is used for 100, this is used for 500, and this is used for 1000. Okay, now come to the next topic. We discussed about 4 rules for writing Roman numerals. What were these? I remind you again in very short. Only the symbol I, X and C can be repeated up to maximum of 3 times only. How many times repeated it will? Only 3 times. When a symbol is repeated, its value is also repeated. Like this repeated 2 times, then value also repeated. This repeated 3 times, then value repeated 3 times. Now come to the rule number 3. Symbol V, L and D cannot be repeated. These symbols cannot be repeated. It can only use only 1 time. Now come to the rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is placed to the right of another symbol of greater value, its value is added to the greater value. Means अगर कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू वाला सिंबल राइट साइड में है तो पूरा हमको रोमन न्यूमेरल की वैल्यू जानने के लिए क्या होगा, हम ग्रेटर नंबर में स्मॉलर सिंबल की वैल्यू को ऐड कर देंगे. लाइक दिस, देखिए, इट इज़ द ग्रेटर वैल्यू सिंबल एंड इट इज़ द स्मॉलर वैल्यू सिंबल. देन टू फाइंड द वैल्यू, दिस प्लस दिस. सो इफ वी राइट इन न्यूमरल्स, देन 5 + 1 = 6. सेम इज हियर एंड देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ एग्जाम्पल टू कैप्चर दिस टॉपिक. ओके, now come to the today's main content. Okay, we have already discussed about the 4 rules. There are some more rules for writing the Roman numerals. Now come to the rule number 5. What it says? According to rule number 5, if a symbol of smaller value is placed to the left on another symbol of greater value. Student, in last rule we have discussed smaller value but at the right place, but in this rule we have placed the smaller value at the left place only. ठीक है, then its value is subtracted from the greater value. When a smaller value is placed to the left of another symbol of greater value, its value will be subtracted. Look at here, there are also 4 examples to explain this. Now look at here, V is of greater value and its left side which number is? This is 1, is a smaller value. Then to find the Hindu-Arabic numeral, what we will do is value find. We subtract the smaller from the greater one. V for 5 minus 1, that we get the number 4. Simple. In this, look at the example number 2. X I means x minus I or 10 minus 1 = 9. Come to the example number 3. X then L. It is greater and it is smaller. and it is on left side. So what we do here, L minus X or 50 minus 10 equal to 40. Now XC or C minus X. So value will be 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Okay. Now come to the next rule. The symbol V, L and D are never subtracted. Means they will never be on left side. Okay. Now rule number 7. What is say? It say I can be subtracted from V and X only. Means I को हम सिर्फ कहाँ लिख सकते हैं, V से पहले या X से पहले. L से पहले हम I को नहीं लिख सकते, C से पहले भी हम I को नहीं लिख सकते. Note down it. Now come to the rule number 8. Then X can be subtracted from L and C only. X means 10 can be subtracted from L means 50 and 100 only. Like this, from L and here we subtract X, and what we get here, 40. C and left side is X, so C minus X, then what we get here, 90. If we write M and here X, then it will be wrong. Or we write D and then here X, it also will be wrong. Okay. So what are three main rules? V, L and D are never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only, and X can be subtracted from L and C only. Okay. There are some questions for you all. Do it in your rough or fair as you have this time notebook. Okay. What is question 1 for your homework? Write the following numbers in Roman numerals. यहाँ पे आपको नंबर दे रखे हैं और उनको आपको रोमन न्यूमरल्स में बदलना है. नंबर ए है 62, नंबर बी 120, नंबर सी इज 1150. Now come to the question number 2. Write the Hindu-Arabic numeral for the following. आपको रोमन न्यूमरल दिए हुए हैं, रोमन सिंबल दिए हुए हैं और आपको इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, हिंदू अरेबिक में. नंबर ए this XXII, number B this, number C. Here are 6 questions from question number 2. Okay. Before the ending of today's topic, I want to show you some combination formed with the 7 symbols. These are X stand for 10, XX for 20. If we write triple X, then it for 30. We write XL means 40. L means 50, LX means 60, LXX means 70, and L triple X means 80, and XC means 90. Simple. Look at here. C stand for 100, CC stand for 200. If 3 times C, it will stand for 300. For 400, we will use the symbol CD. For 500, all of you know it's D. For 600 DC, 700 D CC, 800 D triple C, and 900 CN. Please look at this table carefully and learn these symbols and their relative Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay. Thank you.